guys, so I've been a bit preoccupied for the past week. Some of you may know that we've now got a new member to our household, and here she is. Oh, she's under there. Come on. This is Molly. She's a black Labrador and she is 9 weeks today, and we've had her for a week. Hello. Ready? Get it in. Oh, she's gone to annoy Indy now. Yeah, so this is why I've been a bit quiet anyway, through this last week, and the weather's been naff anyway, so we haven't been able to get out much. She's had her first injections, and she's got her next one on the 22nd, and then after a couple of weeks after that we can start taking her out for walks and that, which will be good. And here's Indy. Hey Indy, you been a good girl? She wasn't overly too fussed when we first got her, but she's much more tolerating now, should we say, and she's actually allowing her to lay on her bed, and she started playing with her a bit sometimes too, so that's good. Yeah, so I've been taking a few clips of her through the week, and I'll put them in now. So see you again soon, guys. Bye. You got?
Mothers who discipline their children in exactly the same way appear to have no impact whatsoever on the children's behaviour. Make it worse so it doesn't change? Well, I don't know. Pretty much. Well, Andrew, I grew up in a household where my father, but in the end of World War II was a disappointment. So now we just had an army of called family. So got up rules. Yeah. Recently I went back to the house where I was born, and I was in the kitchen, and all I could hear was my dad saying, that double on the box shop as well, Janice.
Hello, Indy.
Lovely. All right, then. There you go. There you go, there's one in already. Come on. Nice. Lovely drop as well there, Janice. Yes.
Got 7 accounts of got 10 points, £350 with your first drop. Let's take that machine, put it into your bank account, puts you straight into second place. Still got 2 games left to go. Next question. Which 20th century Conservative Prime Minister?
Hello, Molly.
What do you reckon, Janice? That really one day?
You just woke up. Oh, you just woke up.
Yeah, love it.
She's also. Oh.
Get that black transfer, that's what we're looking at.
Oh. Good girl. Oh. What's this? Sit. Good girl. Molly. 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 Hello. Oh. Who is it, Indy? Who is it?
That digging thing, but that's what she was doing in the bathtub. I'm tunneling.
Are you getting very far? What's she doing, Indy?
You want the water?
She's like, no.
Investigate. She's in the water.
Oh.
There you go.
Look, she wants her to chase her.
I know, but the minute she goes, she knows she's going to get rough. Stand that way. She tries to look herself as big.
Yeah.
She made herself big, but the minute she starts with that, she lays down. She can't.
Nicely then, nicely. Nicely. No point in hiding behind me. Indy, you're too big and boisterous.